Here's an insight to a time. You gotta step back to before the springbok tours, when social circumstance conditioned minds had to adapt to survive. Our people at the front line, now Maori response a resistance, a form to challenge the system. Ngata Mato had heads on the line, Maori language they petition. Suffered they did, ostracized against what they knew was wrong, for what they knew was right. The bloodshed flowing, tears bearing scars from the years, can't even explain the entirety of what they did. Connections past of the past and to the land, wounded links between those gone and who now stand. We do remember, we do remember, we do remember, we do remember. So comprehend, yes, comprehend the 10 seconds before, yes, because the line is never straight. No, 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 it ain't ever straight, and it ain't ever what you saw. Wouldn't you go, them soldiers? Wouldn't you bow your head? Wouldn't you raise your hands instead of closing your ears? Wouldn't you seek the knowledge? Wouldn't you wake the dead? Wouldn't you applaud the cause instead of fearing what is?